All right. What's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. Okay, we're going to be looking at Excella. Okay, XELA is the ticker symbol. Now, if you guys are paying attention to my Excella videos, you'd be doing really well right now. I basically drew this oval right here, and I said that this is going to be a good buy zone. Now, if you notice, we came very close to the bottom support level that I have right at 0.258. But yeah, we bottomed out here at 34 cents. Okay, and if you notice from there, it had a rally of over 200%. And today we're about to open about 150 percent from there. So if you watch my last Excella video, I said to start buying right here in this oval. Now of course this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But the reason we're going to cover Excella today, okay, is because it's being targeted a lot by Wall Street bets. And if you look currently, okay, the market cap is 144 million. All right, and it's about 78 cents a share. Let's just go ahead and say that this is 150 million just for rounding purposes, okay? And it's not even at a dollar, but let's just say that it was at a dollar and it was worth 150 million. For it to go up to $50, right? The market cap would need to go to $7,500,000,000. Okay, so that's the kind of like the amount of money that would need to in a fundamental way flow into this, right? Now of course with buyers and sellers, really as long as there's no sellers, the price will keep rising, right? And so maybe it doesn't technically have to hit 7.5 billion, but for everyone who's putting all their life savings betting on it to go to 50, don't always set your expectations to the moon. Okay, you can, as I've shown you guys, there's already been a 200% gain on this. So if you would have put $1,000 into it, you'd have $3,000 right now. So that's already good enough. But I'm going to show you guys the strategy that I'm using. Okay, now this is a lotto play. This is what I call a lotto. All right, and basically if you go to Excella, you can buy options, okay, because Excella has options. And you can see I have a position here, the March 18th, 2022 one calls. They're super, super cheap. Okay. They're like 17, 18 bucks. I mean, cost nothing. And if Excella goes up to 50, right, then these contracts are going to be worth $4,900 a piece. And if you bought them at $18, that's well over 1,000%, etc. Okay, I mean that's insane, stupid gains. But if Excella does get some of a short squeeze and it doesn't go all the way up to 50, right? Let's just say it goes up to $2, $3, $4, $5, right? These one calls, the one strike, are going to be worth, basically $100 for every time that Excella goes up a dollar, right? So if Excella, which is currently trading under $1, starts trading at $2 a share, then it's gonna at least be $100 per option contract, just the way that options work and everything like that. All right, now let's go ahead and look back at some of the data, okay? Because if we look here, the Excella daily percentage contribution to Wall Street bet activity, I want you guys to notice in July and August, that's when we had it's kind of like first squeeze time, okay? And the interest was super, super high. We have almost reached that peak in interest, okay, on Wall Street Bets. So Wall Street Bets is attacking this, and it's definitely gone up 200%. Now, whether that's fully because of Wall Street Bet, we don't know, but they are paying a lot of attention to it and trying to pump it right now. Also, if you go right here, this is a list basically of the top tickers mentioned in the past 24 hours on Wall Street Bets. Now, of course, there's BBIG. I kind of think that one is a little bit more of a short squeeze potential play. And it may have already had its short squeeze because it just ran up a bunch here recently in January, I believe. Of course, there's GME, AMC, Execure. I also have a video on Execure. Okay, you can just search ZachlyTrades and search Execure. I have a video on that. But the reason I'm showing it to you is because Excella is on there. Okay, so Excella is one of the top tickers mentioned in the last 24 hours on Wall Street Bets. And then we see that the activity for Excella has peaked near the peak that it was in July. So this is kind of just the whole reason I'm making this video. Okay, I've gotten a few comments in the comment section saying, please give an update on Excella. Wall Street Bets is attacking it, yada, yada, yada. So, that's basically where we're at. And I'm hoping to, hopefully this video kind of explained it, how much money it would take for Excella to actually go to $50 is going to be billions, right? So, keep that in mind, right? And then also, just wanted to break down the chart for you guys and show you guys that everything is still valid and trading according to plan. Based on my last update, I gave you guys a major support level at 0.258. That's like from years ago. Okay. If you look on the weekly chart, Excel was like at 14 bucks just like 3 years ago. All right. So, there's definitely potential for this to go up to $2, $3, maybe even $5. 50, I'm not too sure about that, but we all saw what happened last time with AMC and GME and Wall Street Bets, right? We were all part of that. But this is our main support level. And this is kind of, why I highlighted this oval right here, because it's on the bottom half of these two support and resistance levels, so I think, I was saying, hey, if you can get it in on the bottom half, closer towards that 0.258 level, then you'll be set up for whenever Excella decides to recover. Okay, so it may be recovering right now, or it may just drop more. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.